So starting off, we got a Dart and something I actually don't know what that is. I used to know, but I used to look around. 50Z Honda Civic. That thing is clean. Lots of clean cars here. Got a Camaro, another Civic. Show everyone that shirt. Look at that. Representing. How about it? Yeah. Got some more Civics. Got a Mitsubishi, Camaro. Just gonna keep walking through here. There's a lot of people. Really good turnout. Mustang, GTR. That's Jim Milka's. He's the guy running this with me. This is his property. Thank you to him. 250. Oh yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe so Tim can get a new car.
Yeah. I got the Lamborghini.
He's got his Lamborghinis. Yeah. We got Lamborghini Aventador. Get a little shot of this. We've got Bolvin chowing down. No shame, using Joe's truck as the table. Up. He's flipping me off. We got Jim's Lamborghini, we got Joe. We got my Pap's Dart. I haven't seen this thing out, he doesn't bring it out enough. There's the Dart. Up here at S&B, get a shot of the place, you know. 900 horsepower Mustang. This thing is awesome. Get a little look around of it. We got the cat, didn't even get a video of it. Well, see y'all. So cool, dude. Got Ram, Beamer, Cummins. Thank you. Cobra, Challenger. We got delivery on the food. We got a Mustang coming in. Where we left off, Subaru, we got Frank's Challenger. Thing looks awesome as always. Nord FA5, I think the Instagram handle is on this Civic. Thing looks absolutely sick. I see myself in that thing. Civic, Subaru. Got some cars back here. A lot of people cleared out already. I didn't even get a chance to video. Mustang. Got the Corolla. Got my truck, the Jeep with the 426 in it. I don't know if you can see that sticker on the hood there. This thing is rowdy. T. Miller's car. Got the Bronco. Just walk through here real quick. Wagon, duh. Truck. Franking on it. Got another Cummins. Subaru, Camaro. Cummins swapped. I don't even know what this is. Chevy or something. Got the Bug. Civic. This thing is built apparently. I just saw it on Instagram. You have to get a video. The motor. You got a Lincoln. You got Bobby's Corvette and Camaro. Got the Lamarcks, their cars. New one, new edition. Take a look at this Boss 302. I've never seen this thing around before. You know, most of the cars you see here, you've seen them. But what's that?
Yeah, looks cool.
That's sick. A Nissan, Subaru. Got everyone's stuff here. Guess he's gonna be leaving, maybe. Yep, that's pretty much a quick walk around. Nothing crazy. I just wanted to walk through. I didn't film today because there's a couple other people filming. So if I have their videos, you best bet I'll be sharing them on Instagram. I've came to the conclusion I need a Roush supercharger for my truck. You better already have that traction control off.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm good for it.
I missed half of that. You better have it. Oh my god.
Why is this on me first?
I don't know what we're watching. I don't know what we're watching, but okay.
Close it.
There's the competitor. Alright, part 2, because I wasn't recording. He'll probably fucking hit me.